Hi friends, my name is Miss Jen, and today we are going to make a hatching chick. Let's get started. There are a few materials you need to make your hatching chick. A plastic egg, a large puffball, it can be any color, but we have yellow, 2 googly eyes, a beak made out of foam, 2 little wing feathers, and a glue stick to stick it all together. Let's get started. First, let's make our baby chick. We're going to start out with our fuzzball. First, take your glue stick and add a little bit of glue to both of your googly eyes and stick it in the middle of your pom-pom. There's one, and there's 2. Next, he needs a beak. In your kit, you should have an orange piece of foam, and this diamond is going to get folded in half to make a triangle shape for the beak. Beep, 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 beep. You're going to want to put glue on one side of your triangle, and then put it where the beak would be underneath the eyes, like that. Next, you're going to put the chick inside your eggshell. So find your eggshell and look for the one that's a little bit smaller. This is the one you're going to start with. You can take your chick and put it gently inside the smaller egg. And the last thing you need to do is add the wings. So you can take one feather and stick it in one side, and take the other one and stick it into the other side. You can also glue it if it falls out. And there you go. You now have your very own hatching chick. And then hatching him out, just like this. What other animals hatch out of eggs?
Did you know not every egg can hatch? There's a difference between a farm egg and a market egg. A market egg is an egg you buy at the store. It's an egg that you can eat. A farm egg comes from a farm. If there is a rooster and a hen living on the farm, there's a good chance that the eggs are fertilized. Remember, only fertilized eggs can hatch. Mama hen will sit on her eggs for 21 days. It takes 21 days for an embryo to form inside the eggshell. Then, on day 21, it's hatch day. Mother hens take very good care of their baby chicks. Can you name any other animals that hatch out of eggs?